I'm sitting with all the tuk-tuk drivers who do all the tours around Jaipur.
Yes.
Okay, we're having our photo taken again. Again, I'm not sure why. What I don't like really about doing these tours this way is... Good morning, welcome back to Jaipur in India. Today I'm going on another tuk-tuk tour. I'm going all around Jaipur, seeing all the hot spots, all the major sites. And look at the tuk-tuk we've got.
Welcome Rajasthan. Padaro Maharaj.
Beautiful. Lovely colour. Camels. Nice. That's my driver, Sonny.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, let's get on with it. Oh, look at the wheels. Let's go. Okay, so the first stop we've come to see the Albert Hall, the Central Museum of Jaipur. Looks pretty cool. Only a quick stop, just have a look, take some pictures, and then we'll get back in the tuk-tuk and head to the next place. We've got a packed day, so we can't stay too long at places. And now we're going up there to get a view of the city. There's an additional cost to do this, I don't know how much it is yet. The tuk-tuk, by the way, the tuk-tuk tour is 1300 rupees. Not too bad. And we made it to the top. Not an awful lot of room up here, like this central part that I'm stood on now, and then this little area. So if we've got more than a few people up here, there's too many of you. Yeah, nice views of the city. Okay, so the cost for that for a foreigner was 200 rupees. Or for 1,000 rupees you could buy a composite ticket, which is what I've purchased, so that will get me in other sites during the day and also valid for tomorrow. I'm not sure if it's going to end up being worth it or not. I don't know if individually I'd spend that much money, but we'll find out. Let's go. I'm now at the City Palace. I've just paid 700 rupees for the biggest ticket I've ever been given. A whole A4 piece of paper. So we're going to go inside. And unbelievably, somehow I've made it in without being surrounded by tour guides trying to get me to pay for the services. So that's always good. So I can see my tuk-tuk, but no driver. So I found another tuk-tuk driver who's told me my driver is probably over here drinking chai. So I said I want to drink chai. So he's taking me and we're going to go drink chai together. Okay, so I'm not sure where the chai is coming from, but we're sitting on this little metal stool at the side of the road. Maybe over there. Kachori and samosa he's making over there. I think we'll go try one. I think this time I've had samosas before, so I'll try a kachori.
This is samosa inside
Kachori?
Kachori inside dal masala.
Inside dal masala. Okay, so dal masala inside the kachori.
Samosa.
And these are samosas. I'll have one kachori, please.
With curry?
Yeah, please. Okay, you can have it with or without the curry sauce. Having it with, he's chopping it up. Here. 20 rupees. Let's see how it tastes. So I'm sitting with all the tuk-tuk drivers who do all the tours around Jaipur.
Yes.
So maybe I can get a job as a tuk-tuk driver. So this is what we've got. Kachori. Okay, I'm surprised that this is not really spicy. I thought it'd be very spicy. But the sauce is going to be very spicy. It's not, the whole thing's really nice. Okay, there's a bit of spice coming through now. It's packed with vegetables, spices, potatoes. It's really noisy. That was very good. I give it a 4 out of 7 and it was 20 rupees.
Thanks, Tommy.
How much is it?
10 rupees.
A cup of chai or a glass of chai, no handle, and the glass is really hot, and this is 10 rupees. Oh, good, that's good. We're heading now to Amber Fort, and it's just over there. So here we are at Amber Fort, and I've got a big climb up all these steps to get up to the top. And we're inside. Again, I used the ticket that I purchased earlier. Let's go explore. So there's a lot more to this fort than I originally thought. There's lots of little passageways and rooms and things to go in and explore. That's the Amber Fort done. Very good. I was an hour and a half maybe wandering around. And now I'm back at the tuk-tuk parking, so I just need to find Sonny, and then I think we might be off to get some food now. Let's go! Oh, this tuk-tuk has reverse. Fancy. So we've now stopped at a place called, I think he said Ishtabel Bari. I think I've got that right, but probably not. Not really sure what it is. It's like there's like a big well down there and steps. Really cool looking. The water looks pretty disgusting, but other than the water looking disgusting, quite a cool little place. No entrance fee here. Hello. Hello. So he's now brought me here to the Water Palace. I can't remember its actual name, but it's an old palace that's out on the lake. Pretty cool. Lots of market stalls and things trying to sell you stuff. I'm not interested in any of that. Hello.
Hello. What is your channel name? You have YouTube channel?
Yes. Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What is your YouTube channel name?
You want me to type it? It's just my name.
Please.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Okay. Thank you.
Can we take a photo?
Okay. Yes. Okay, we're having our photo taken again. Again, I'm not sure why.
Selfie.
Okay.
Thank
you. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Friendly locals again. Whip out the camera and you're like a celebrity. He's got some tunes on. So it's time for a lunch stop. Seems to be a bit of confusion as to where we're going. Dal makhani and paratha for lunch. That's lunch done. It was very good. What I don't like really about doing these tours this way is they take you to where they want you to go to eat, not where you want to go. I wouldn't have picked that place. I would have gone and got street food somewhere. Now I have to go see a really cool building that I can't remember the name of, but it's really cool, so let's do it. And we're at the Palace of Wind. So cool and just unique. Never seen anything like that. So good. And that concludes the tuk-tuk sightseeing tour of Jaipur. It was very nice, lots of interesting things to see here. There's probably lots more that I haven't seen, no doubt. But I've liked what I've seen today. I've got one more day here in Jaipur. I'll probably be looking for a market and some street food tomorrow, seeing as I didn't get street food today. So yeah, tune in to tomorrow's video for another video from Jaipur and some street food and markets. See ya!